The Taj Mahal, originally the Rajwa Manwara, is a white marble mausoleum on the southern bank of River Yamuna in the Indian city of Agra. It was commissioned in 1632 by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan to the house of tomb of his favorite wife Mumtaz Mahal. It also houses the tomb of Shah Jahan himself. The Taj Mahal is built on a parcel of a land of the south of the walled city of Agra. Shah Jahan presented Maharaj Sher Singh with a large palace in the center of Agra in exchange of the land. An area of roughly 1.2 hectares was excavated, filled with dirt to reduce seepage and leveled at 50 meters above river bank. In the tomb area, wells were dug and filled with a stone and rubble to form the footings of the tomb. Instead of lashes, bamboo workmen constructed a colossal brick scaffold that mirrored the tomb. The scaffold was so enormous that foremen estimated it would take years to dismantle. The Taj Mahal incorporates and expands on design tradition of Indo-Islamic and earlier Mughal architecture. Specific inspiration came from successful Timurid and Mughal buildings including Guru-e-Amir, Humayun's tomb, which was inspired the Charbagh gardens of Hazrat Behsht plan of site Istad ud-Dullah tomb and Shah Jahan's own Jama Masjid in Delhi. The Khajuraho group of monuments are a group of Hindu temples and Jain temples in Chhatrapur district, Madhya Pradesh, India, about 175 kilometers southeast of Jhansi. They are a UNESCO World Heritage Sites. The temples are famous for their Nagara-style architectural symbolism and their erotic sculptures. The Khajuraho monuments are located in the Indian state of Madhya Pradesh in Chhatrapur district, about 620 kilometers southeast of Delhi. The temples are located near a small town also called as Khajuraho, with a population of 24,481 people. The Khajuraho group of monuments was built during the rule of Chandela's dynasty. The building activity started almost immediately after the rise of their power throughout their kingdom to be later known as Bundelkhand. Most temples were built during the reigns of Hindu kings Yashovarma and Dhang. Humayun's tomb is the tomb of Mughal Emperor Humayun in Delhi, India. The tomb was commissioned by Humayun's first wife, chief consort Empress Begum in 1558 and designed by Miraq Mirza Ghiyas and his son Syed Muhammad. Persian architecture chosen by her. After his death on 27 January 1556, Humayun's tomb was first buried in the palace of Purana Qila at Delhi. Thereafter, it was taken to Sarin in Punjab by Khanjar Beg, and in 1558 it was seen Humayun's son, the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Akbar subsequently visited the tomb in 1571 when it was about to be completed. According to Abd al-Qadir Bada, one of the few contemporary historians to mention construction of the tomb, it was designed by Persian architect Mirza Ghiyas, who was selected by the empress and bought him from Herat. He had previously designed several buildings in Herat, Bhukra, and others elsewhere in India. Ghiyas died before the structure was completed and was completed by his son Syed Muhammad in Miraq Ghiyaduddin. Ajanta caves are approximately 30 rock Buddhist cave monuments which date from 2nd century BC to about 480 century BC in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state of India. The caves include paintings and rock-cut sculptures described as among the finest surviving examples of ancient Indian art, particularly expressive paintings that present emotions through gestures, pose, and form. The Ajanta caves are generally agreed to have been made in two distinct phases. The first during the 2nd century BC to 1st century CE and second several centuries later. The cave consists of 36 unidentified foundations, some of them discovered after the original numbering of the caves from 1 to 29. Later identified caves have been suffixed with the letter of the alphabet such as 15A, identified between originally numbered caves 15 and 16. the cave numbering in convection of convenience and does not reflect the chronological order of their construction. Ellora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site located in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra, India. It is one of the largest rock-cut Hindu temple cave complex in the world, featuring Hinduism in a particular and few Buddhist and Jain monuments with artwork dating from 600 to 1000 CE period. The Ellora caves are situated in a state of Maharashtra about 29 kilometers northwest of cities of Aurangabad, 100 kilometers from Ajanta caves, 2.3 kilometers from Grishnawar temple. Ellora occupies relatively flat rocky region of Western Ghats where ancient volcanic activity had created multi-layered basalt formation known as Deccan Traps. The volcanic activities that form with the west-facing cliff that houses the Ellora caves occurring during the Cretaceous period. The resulting vertical face made access to many layers of rock formation easier, enabling architects to pick the basalt with finger grains for more detailed sculpture. Hampi is an ancient village in the South Indian state of Karnataka. It is dotted with numerous ruined temple complexes from Vijayanagara Emperor. On the south bank of river Tungabhadra is the 7th century Hindu Virupaksha temple near the revived Hampi Bazaar. A carved stone chariot stands in front of a huge Vitla temple site. Southeast of Hampi, the Roji Bear Sanctuary is the home of Indian sloth bear. Hampi is located in a hilly terrain formed by granite boulders. The Hampi monuments comprising the UNESCO World Heritage Sites are subset of worldwide spreader Vijayanagara ruins. Almost all the monuments were built between 1336 and 1570 CE during Vijayanagara rule. The site has about 1600 monuments and covers 41.5 square kilometers. The Hampi site has been studied in 3 border zones. The first has been named the Scared Center by scholars such as Bruton Stein and others. The second referred as Urban Core or the Royal Center, and the third constitutes the Rest Metropolitan Vijayanagara. The Scared Center alongside the river contains the oldest temple of the history, pilgrimage and monuments predating the Vijayanagara Emperor. The Urban Core and the Royal Center over 60 ruined temples beyond those in the Scared Center, but the temples in the Urban Core all are dated to Vijayanagara Emperor.